Hey y'all, it's Mark from Overlook Valley. It's closing time. So today, we got a package. This is the cover for the pool. I've been putting off doing this. I've actually ordered this thing 2 different times. The first time I ordered it, there was some kind of problem, so they couldn't send it. Kitty. So I had to get on Amazon and reorder it, and we got it this time. So what this is, my pool is a 24 by 24 round pool, and this is a 24 by 24 pool cover. This is the economy series. You can get better covers. The more money you pay, the better the cover you get. So I've used these in the past on our old pool, and it seemed to do the job. So let's open this thing up and see what's in the box. It says the item number on this is C0827. I'll leave a link where you can pick one of these up if this is something that you're interested in. It's a little late in the season, I know, to be doing this later than I wanted it to be, but it's got to be done. So it's mid-October. I meant to do this before the leaves started falling because there's leaves already in the pool. So the pool's ugly. It's already turning green. We're going to put some chemicals in it, and then we're going to put the cover on it and show you a few tricks that I've learned along the way and see how that works. So in the box, obviously we get the manual. It says Hydro Tools Cover Saver. I guess this is trying to sell something else. It says it automatically removes rainwater from your pool cover. So that's probably a pretty good idea. Maybe something to look into. Just more reading literature for you. Tell you different things. Now what I do know is for a 24 by 24 pool, the cover is actually 3 foot bigger. So this is a 27 by 27. That's what you get when you order a 24 by 24 pool cover. So anyways, see what's in the box. There's the pool cover, all folded up nice and neat. Seems to be a dark blue on my end, with the black on the bottom, and that is some kind of inhibitor. I have read that the black bottom helps inhibit growth of bad things in your pool. So we'll see how that works. It also comes with a cable and clamp to tighten the cable up with. So I don't know how easy this is going to be by myself to do, but we're going to jump on it and see what we can get done. It's kind of cool this afternoon. So we'll see how far we can go before I freeze out or get done, whichever one happens first. So come on, y'all. So one of the first things that I'm going to need to do is remove the ladder. So I'm going to get my drill and we'll get rid of that. And I got a great little place over here, I think, that is going to work out good to store it. So we'll see how that works. Okay, so mine's just got a couple screws in it just to kind of hold it steady. So I'll pop those out and we'll pop this ladder up and see if we can't get all nasty and wet. All right, ladder's loose. So we're gonna carry it over here and drain it off the side of the deck, and I'll show you where we're gonna put it. Okay, so that's where I plan on putting it. We'll take you out here and show you kind of what that looks like. Okay, as I go down the steps here, there we go. And hopefully that'll just hang there all winter and not cause any problems and not be in the way. So, all right, let's get back to see if we can put this cover on this pool. Okay, so I've got it around this side of the pool. I didn't realize that my camera had shut off, so you may have missed quite a bit. I don't know, but basically we're just putting it around the pool. I went underneath this edge on the deck, and now we're going to just kind of keep working our way around the pool until I get it pulled over everywhere, and then we're going to pull the cable tight. So let's see how that works. I can definitely tell you this would be way better with some help, because you kind of pull one side, the other side comes off. So I suggest if you do this, at least have one other person to help you. Okay, so there it is. It's on all the way around. I'm going to tighten the cable a little bit more, and a trick that I had seen somebody else do that lives around here that I'm going to try this year. I haven't never tried this before, but be right back. I'll show you. Okay, so they kept all their old jugs, any kind of gallon jug with a good lid on it, and they filled it up with water a little over halfway, just where to have some weight to it. And they tie strings to the jug, and they put them all the way around the pool, which keeps the tarp really tight. Theirs look really good, so I'm going to try that on mine. Unfortunately, I dropped the ball when it comes to saving the jugs. I meant to, it was in my mind to do it, but I just throwed them out. So I'm going to have to round up some more jugs. Looks like I'm going to have to be drinking a lot of milk or water or something. And you know, they're not really that expensive, so I may just run to the dollar store and buy some gallon waters of jugs, pour a little bit out or something, and put those around it. So this is quite an experience for me to do by myself, but as you see, we made headway, and it is on there, and I'll work on it, make it look a little prettier. But all in all, I think it's going to do the job. We're going to see how good the pool cover holds up. It says that it's supposed to be about an 8-year pool cover. It's awfully thin. It come from In the Swim. I got it from Amazon, but that from In the Swim on Amazon. And it's around a little over $50 for the cover and the cable and the little fastener to tighten it up with. So not too awfully bad, but if you own a pool, this is the bad side of it. You got to do all the chemicals and cleaning and all this. So I guess all in all, when you got folks out here swimming and they're having a good time, it makes it all worth it. But having a pool, it is a lot of work. I knew that from before when I said I'd never get another pool again, but things change, so here I am. I got another pool. So thank you for following my channel, watching my videos. Thank you for liking, subscribing. Invite you to come along. I'm going to try to do a video every Tuesday around 6 p.m. Central Time. I should have a video coming out. So if you want to keep up to date with what I'm doing around here, and man, I'm doing all kinds of crazy things. I got something really exciting coming up soon, so, or it is to me. So come back, check out my channel. Maybe you'll Maybe it'd be exciting to you, and maybe you might learn something. I'm definitely gonna learn something for sure. All right, y'all. Thank you, and God bless you.